Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name's Yvette. So for the month of December, I decided that I'm going to try to upload as much as I possibly can. The goal is to upload at least every other day or maybe every day. So I'm calling it Yvette's Merry Makeup because my channel name is Yvette's Makeup. So that's just a little bit of adding a little bit of Christmas onto there. And yeah, so this is my favorite time of the year. I just love everything about Christmas. I also really like Halloween, but Christmas is like my all-time favorite. If you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Yvette's Merry Makeup. If you want to check out the upcoming videos, then please make sure you subscribe. And also, if you like the video, please like it. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.